Hi friends, today we'll discuss about how to read a, read the data from the flat file. So here we have the data. So based on the each line, if the file starts with ABC, I want the data, and XYZ, I want the data, and JQK. Only starts with this data. I want to capture these all details and form a JSON. So and these values will read as a position. So from here to here, a is at 0th index, so 0 1 2, and again we have space, so this is 3, and from 4 4 5 6 7 8, like this way will read the position, and from and to will give the index and will read the specific data. So we'll quickly jump into the flow. So here we have the read component to read the given file. So here we have the transformation. So actually I ran the application, so let's stop the application and save it and run once again. So meanwhile we'll go through the data wave. So here what we are doing is we are splitting the data with the new line and applying the map function on the payload, and if the payload is starts with ABC, so we are capturing the from the 0 index to 2, we are storing it into data 1 field, and the data 2 field we are taking the value, and that index is 4 to 8, and this index is 10 to 15. So like this way we are reading. If we have any spaces, it trims out those spaces. So we'll go through this flow. See the data. See, in this application we can see the payload. We have payload, whatever available in the file, we have that payload. So let's move. So what do we have? So here how it is reading data 1, data 2. Okay, so what's going on? So ABC, ABD, XYZ, ABF. So it's not filtering properly. So I have changed the some of the scripting here, so I will make it correct. So here this is the one change, and here also value I have to give. So I will stop the application and run once again. From the payload we are splitting, and again I am applying the map function, and so that I have the array of details. So from each array of that row of data, so I will, if the value is starts with the ABC, so I am reading that data, putting into each field. So now we'll check, we'll get the perfect data. So actually earlier what happened is, in the value section, this value contains the each object, and the key contains the index. So it started. Now see the payload is perfect, and now see the transformation. So ABC data came. So I will maximize this one. Y means without confusion we have to see everything. ABC we have one time, XYZ and XYZ 2 times, and JQK 2 times, and the last one is ABC. See, let me copy this content. So go to the, yeah, this one. I will move here. Let me paste the output. So now we can see the data. See, ABC, here we have ABC, and one more is at the last. Those, so the same data we have after transformation we got. See, JQK and JQK 2 times, and the remaining rows are as empty arrays. So we'll remove those all. So this is the data we have. So I apply the flatten. So it's failed here. So why it's failed? So in the flatten it is failed. So actually we have arrays and objects, so we cannot apply the flatten. So we'll empty arrays will remove with some other scripting, some other logic. So we'll run once again the given application, read. See, it's reading and it's filtering the data. So here is the logic. See, we are splitting and using the map function, and again displaying the payload. That's it. Yeah, keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, please mention the details in the comment box. If you have questions also, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you guys.